Hope you all are safe and healthy. So we are back with another video in our terminology series, in which we are learning about different terms and some institutions of utmost importance. Our last video was on the Central Armed Police Forces of India and some of its child agencies like the Border Security Force or the BSF, CISF and the Indo-Tibetan Border Police or ITBP and many more. So if you want to learn the difference between them, I suggest you to watch our last video. The link will be provided in the description below. So we all carry transactions of many a kind, but many of us don't know the institutions behind it. So we will talk about one such institution responsible for carrying out the transactions, which is the NPCI or the National Payment Corporation of India. So let us see. So it is an umbrella organization which is responsible for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India. Some of its products you might have heard about are the Aadhaar enabled payment system, the Bharat Bill payment system, the BHIM or the Bharat Interface for Money, the check truncation system, which was a system. It was developed by RBI to fast track the process of check clearances. The immediate payments service, or you might know it by the IMPS, the RuPay system, the UPI or the Unified Payment Interface System, and many more. The NPCI was founded in 2008. Its founder are the RBI or the Reserve Bank of India and the Indian Banks Association, and it is a not-for-profit organization. Now that's all for NPCI. Now we will learn a difference between three things that you all might have heard about and seen many a times but don't know the difference. So we will try to learn the difference and differentiate them. First one is the National Electronic Fund Transfer or the NEFT. It is an electronic fund transfer system maintained by the RBI. It was started in November 2005. Established and maintained by the Institute of Development and Research in Banking Technology. Other one is RTGS payments, which are generally cleared immediately and are primarily organized with the central bank of the country. These settlements take place quickly in real time. Let us learn the difference between the three, the IMPS, the NEFT and the RTGS. So when we talk about NEFT, it facilitates one-to-one fund transfer, and transfer do not occur in real time and are settled in 23 half-hourly basis. Means in every half hour a transaction is carried out. The RTGS system, in this money is credited into beneficiary's account on a real-time basis and is meant for large transaction to be cleared immediately, which is why it has a minimum value of 2 lakh. The NEFT and IMPS do not have such limits. Talking about IMPS, it is a real-time there should be a dash between them. It is a real-time interbank fund transfer and is available 24/7 in a year, unlike the RTGS and NEFT, which have a time limit. That's all, I guess. If you want to learn more about the difference, I suggest you should look into Google. That's all. Thank you so much and stay safe.